Essential things to pack before joining your ship. Whenever you board a ship for work, it's crucial to have all the necessary items in your luggage. This list isn't set in stone, but it's a reliable guide, especially for first-timers. Always tailor it based on your specific circumstances or needs. Number 1, documents and certificates. Passport, Seaman's book, relevant visas, US visa, Schengen visa, etc. Okay to board letter issued by company. The letter is sent to the airline by the company normally. For a visa sponsor and without this document, the seafarer may not be allowed to board the flight. Sometimes the company gives this to you and you show it at the airport. Seaman's identity document, contract of employment, travel documents, letter of guarantee, medical certificate, vaccination certificates, relevant STCW certificates, training, COPs, COCs, pre-departure orientation seminar documents, emergency contact numbers for manning agency, principal, ship agent, ship details, and allotment slip. Extra tip. Prepare also your international debit or credit card for easier transactions on shore. Have some cash with you before you leave. Go to a money exchange if you can. Exchange it to USD or Euros, preferably US dollar, since most ports when buying SIM cards accept in USD. Number 2, health and personal care. Ensure you pack essential hygiene and health-related items to maintain cleanliness and well-being. Toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss, shampoo, deodorant, perfume, razor or hair clipper, lotion or shaving cream, watches, disinfectant, alcohol, nail cutter, vitamins and supplements, medicines, comb, and cotton buds. Number 3, clothing and accessories. Once again, the numbers of items are my personal preference. You can modify the number according to your needs. Working clothes, underwear, socks, shoes, shorts, jeans or trousers, jackets, winter leggings, supporter underwear, shore leave clothes, t-shirts, pants, handkerchief, towel, hanger, belt, sandals, or flip-flops. Uniform for officers and engineers. Extra tip. Bring detergent, bleach, and or fabric conditioner on board the ship. Not all ships have adequate supply, and when they have a supply, some crew members hide it. Number 4, electronics. Bring these electronics for communication, entertainment, and productivity while on board. Mobile phones, charger, power bank, laptop, headphones, speakers or music player, USB, hard drive or SSD for files and movies, SIM cards, round-to-flat adapter, anti-glare eyewear or shades, karaoke set or PlayStation. Optional if your ship doesn't have. Number 5, stationery. For work or personal use. Yes, granted, we may have supplies on board, but you never know, so please have a stock. And then paper, notebook, pencil, eraser, scissors. Number 6, miscellaneous or additional essentials. These items will enhance your comfort and preparedness while at sea. Holy Bible, photo of loved ones, printed or digital, local snacks, biscuits, noodles, oatmeal, chips, 3-in-1 coffee, etc. And sewing kit. Extra tips to consider before packing. Number 1, voyage length. Make sure to bring enough items to last until the next port, especially for long voyages. Number 2, contract length. Longer contracts require more essentials, pack less for shorter contracts. Number 3, slop chest availability. Some ships have slop chests to buy personal items, but don't rely on it completely. Number 4, crew members on board. If you know someone on the ship, they can advise you on what's available on board to reduce unnecessary packing. Or maybe you can contact the crew member you are replacing and ask if he or she has extra items on board that you can use. Up to you. This should make preparing essentials more organized and ensure that you have everything you need to stay comfortable, healthy, and productive on board. The lists are not limited, so you can modify them. Safe travels, gents and ladies.